My name is Amanda Kettinger. I am a parent volunteer for the Home and School Association. I help out with the garden, and today we'll be having a class do the harvest. All the different classes come down whenever they have a chance. When they come down, we see what's ready to be picked, and we kind of sort it per the vegetable that it is, and then we bring it down to Project Outreach and Warriors Forward. One of the things that's important to me is they really develop an appreciation for nature. They learn how to grow and care for a garden. They learn teamwork, patience, right? It takes a while for things to grow. And they learn that they can make a difference in the community.
We have a garden project that's been going for 15 years, and we have 5 garden beds. And well, we had 5, then we extended to 8. And every week on Thursdays we harvest and donate to Project Outreach. We try to grow the things that do the best and need the least intervention and watering. So tomatoes have always been a big success for us here. So we try to do a really big planting day in May with the kids and get our summer crops in, usually maybe the Friday before or after Mother's Day. And that worked splendidly this past year. We planted all 8 beds that day, and what you're seeing here now in the middle of October is the end of the harvesting of those things. So we had peppers, tomatoes, squash, which is a little persnickety, pumpkins. Some of the things, you know, we try to do a variety, but some things aren't as successful year by year. The one thing year over year that has been for us, luckily, tomatoes. There's things we can do to increase the quality of the soil, and that all of the things that are rotting are going to turn back into soil, and also integrated pest management. Here we have some milkweed growing to try to bolster the monarch population because they're endangered. There's little aphids that grow on them, so I showed them that if they're comfortable, they can squish those. In about a week from now, we'll put in 1 or 2 beds of garlic. So that'll come up before the end of November. So you might see that garlic growing if it took. You're never sure if it gets too wet, it might not. But otherwise, we have a lot of fun in November clearing out the beds. Kids love that kind of stuff, so it's great. We get them clear, get them ready, and then in March, we may plant some of those things like lettuce and peas, but we definitely focus on getting like the big crops going. A long time ago, this program came up through an organization that's international called Triskelis Food for All, and that has morphed over time, but it's a Chester County nonprofit that actually helps developing countries make gardens anywhere. So they figured, wait, if we're doing this all over the world, let's also see if anyone in our community wants to do it. So fast forward, we made a relationship with them, and they helped us get this all started. But the stipulation, which we're happy for the stipulation, is that half of what your garden grows from now on goes to a local food source.